This is a story about two men, Luke, a struggling street vendor, and Dylan, a wealthy entrepreneur. One day, God decides to test them, giving each a crate of oranges, $50, and a market stall, with 15 days to succeed. On day 1, Luke sells a few oranges, makes $10, and calls it a day. Dylan, however, sorts his oranges by size, sells every single one, and saves his earnings. By day 2, half of Luke's oranges have rotted. Meanwhile, Dylan reinvests his money, buys more oranges, and starts selling fresh orange cups, even partnering with a local store. Fast forward to day 15, Luke's stall is empty, with only $8 to his name. Dylan, on the other hand, has built a small enterprise. He has a stable supply chain, employs part-time workers, and has earned over $1,200, with plans to open a permanent juice stand. Their story shows that wealth isn't about the money you're given, it's about your mindset. Dylan saw opportunity and created value, while Luke only saw a way to get by for the day. True wealth comes from spotting opportunities, solving problems, and creating value for others. The wealthy mindset is resilient. Even when stripped of money, those who have it find ways to rebuild, while those focused on immediate survival remain stagnant.